Welcome to NextGen Mobile, your destination for mobile history and tech nostalgia. Today, we're diving into one of Nokia's most stylish and unforgettable phones, the Nokia 7610. A true icon of its time, this device blended bold design with early smartphone innovation. A bold step in design. Released in 2004, the Nokia 7610 stood out instantly. With its unique, leaf-shaped keypad and asymmetric body, it broke the mold of conventional phone design. Nokia took a risk, and it paid off. The phone's sleek curves and glossy finish gave it a fashionable edge that appealed to trendsetters around the world. Packed with innovation. Beyond looks, the 7610 was packed with features ahead of its time. It was Nokia's first smartphone with a 1-megapixel camera, offering photo quality that was impressive for the early 2000s. Powered by the Symbian Series 60 OS, it allowed users to install apps, browse the internet, and even edit documents on the go. Multimedia and productivity. With support for MP3 playback, video recording, and a vibrant 65K color screen, the 7610 offered a full multimedia experience. It also featured Bluetooth connectivity and a memory card slot, rare luxuries at the time, making it a powerful tool for both entertainment and productivity. Legacy and impact. The Nokia 7610 wasn't just a phone, it was a statement. It signaled the rise of mobile phones as lifestyle accessories and paved the way for design-forward smartphones. Even today, it remains a beloved collectible for tech enthusiasts and vintage phone fans. Conclusion. The Nokia 7610 was more than just a stylish handset, it was a pioneer that helped shape the future of mobile design. If you enjoyed this trip down memory lane, don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to NextGen Mobile for more classic mobile tech stories.